Since 1958, we've delivered more than 250 distribution centers across the country. From Portland to Miami, we've delivered DCs that range from 50,000 to 1.3 million square feet. We're proud of the work we do, and so are the companies we build for. In fact, repeat clients make up 84% of our business. 90% of that work is design build, and we're 100% employee-owned. We're talking 19.9 million square feet of distribution center space delivered. That's 1.3 billion in distribution center volume. With a 250 million bonding capacity per project and a 500 million aggregate bonding capacity, we're big enough to get the job done and get it done right the first time. Smarter design, smarter construction, smarter distribution. The Korte Company, building smart.